start another playthrough of this today. But first of all, I tried playing that on the difficulty before beating the game. That is painful. And second of all, I thought it'd be interesting and fun to record this. I was asking that question, like, why the fuck do some of these just not have? Oh shit, I did. Some of these just don't actually show anything, for some reason. I don't know why. How many of you were gotten by that? I wasn't, because I actually fucking knew it was happening, but... Now, if you heard me scream the first time I played this game, you'd probably be laughing your ass off. But since I knew that was happening, I didn't scream. And I probably wouldn't have screamed, I still would have been like...
How did I get here?
But... So, this dude here, the person we're playing as, is Simon.
Fucking Carol!
I don't actually know if that was already pointed out or not, but I don't think it was. And yeah, this is where we start out. Now, the first time I actually played this game, I got stuck in the inventory menu here because I didn't know how to. I didn't know how to get out. I didn't think that you could. Yeah, we need a lock here. Or not, we need a code. I couldn't think that. I didn't know that you had to press tab to get back out of your inventory. So, I was like, how the fuck do I do this? I was, not being very good, to say the least. Wait, there's a flashlight. I don't actually know what's over here. Maybe it's just an alternate route to where I need to be going? Yeah, it's just an alternate route, okay. Normally, don't, okay. Normally you just walk down here, and go this way, but anyways. I mean, the beginning is pretty straightforward. Now, I'm doing what I'm doing just for the sake of people who don't actually know the progress, like how you're supposed to progress through the game. Of course, there's only so much that I've actually gone through while playing the game. Excelsior. Beautiful sight to see. don't know which one of these is the username and which one of these is the password. There. Okay, wait, so I think number 2 is the... I don't know. Wait, am I spelling this? Okay, I have the memory of a fucking goldfish. Please give me a moment. Excel. Don't mind that. You know that this whole unforgettable thing is... I'm pretty sure I got stuck on this computer as well because I didn't actually know how to get out of it. Now, one thing, I don't know why they forced you to fucking press a button to go through this door before. Because it's not like it was trying to make you go like a map. No, wait, I gotta go back. Now, keep in mind, I'm not good at commentary, so don't expect me to actually, like, say something interesting. Don't expect me to have, like, a witty one-liner at one point. So... like, expect there to be a lot of moments where I'm just fucking silent. 3711. Oh wait, I did not go through there yet. I go through. I don't know why it doesn't automatically take you through, but whatever. It's terrifying. Okay, so yeah, we have to. Oh, this one's supposed to save. Like my last playthrough, I was in which I die way too many times to actually have fun. So, yeah. Also, this is very dark. He's not... Is he supposed to be actually speaking? Because if he is, he's not. That wasn't locked.
What the hell? Who was he?
Oh, that's it.
I gotta call the police. Damn it! No signal.
I'm only gonna be recording this. Although there is one of these guys, I guess. I'm not even gonna do it. Like run up. if you don't know, Cold Source is like a really old one image. Like it was what was used to make the first Half-Life. And the fact that like this is what was did with it is pretty fucking astounding. I mean, knowing where the enemy is, where a majority of the enemy is, might be you guys. Okay. But don't worry, I'm like, you know, I'm going to happily that time. Ow. Oh shit, what the fuck? Sometimes, hits also not right. Oh no. Sometimes, it doesn't actually register that I try to fucking, hitting them. Healing items, that's good. But, I'm gonna deploy the, tape quarter. Whatever. I'm actually gonna win this one. Pretty sure. Whatever. Shut up. No, that's not. Okay, whatever, it's not important. I think I'm gonna stop the video, once we get up here. I'm not doing anything wrong in like 20 minutes because last time I did that, my channel was dead for a few months, so, like, I mean, I know it's a little under 20 minutes right now, so I'm going to get to the fucking save point and then off. Or little kitties playing the park. So the first kitty, let's go home before it gets dark. First two, then way home. Let's see, playing all alone. Come here, little child, come to me. Bushes whispered softly. They say curiosity, he killed the cat. I don't know why. I think this is just a funny thing, but it's interesting. That's the way it's about. I think you could actually go into the room. I'm gonna go into the room where I know this is. Which is this one. Now, the safety of me knowing some of the shit that's gonna be around the corner, again, that's not gonna last long. So, anyways, yeah. That's gonna be this cry view. That's the everything's fun kitchen. That's gonna be the end of this. I'm gonna record more often. Please, I swear. Please stay here. I'll actually upload.